Hi all, I hope all are fine. So in today's video we will discuss about the employee engagement. Basically, what is employee engagement? Employee engagement is to keep engage employee in activities. So basically employee engagement activities is always done by HR. Why do we do this employee engagement activities? Because it is very necessary in any organization to do the employee engagement, because otherwise employee will get bored by doing same work. So because of that, if you don't do employee engagement activities in the organization, employee may leave the organization due to, if they do not like company culture. So due to that, like to retain the employee, it is very necessary to do the employee engagement activities in the organization. And if we do the employee engagement activity in the organization, due to that, our productivity also increase. I mean, employee get more enthusiastic or employee get more motivation by doing employee engagement activities. So what are the types of employee engagement activities? First is team building activities, that all employee comes together, like treasure hunt, quiz. So this type of activities called team building activities. So workplace activities, like for example, like if company has completed its 1 year or 2 years, so on that day, if company gives, I'm just giving the example for workplace parties. So on that day, if all employee comes together and employer give the party, so that is also called workplace parties activity. Then recognition program, like if employee few employees is performing well, so we give the recognition for performance of employee, then employer of the month. So in that way we can do the recognition program. Then recognition program, if we can recognition program activity we can do on workplace parties also. If any on special, if any day, if there is a party in the organization, so on that day we can sorry, HR can do the recognition programs, like by giving recognition to employer of the month. So in that way, another activities like sport event. Most of the company they do activities like sport event in the organization, due to that, employee get more energetic and employee also likes the organization culture. So due to that, employee may retain in the organization for the long time. Then learning lunches, like learning lunches, it's kind of ice breaking, it's like ice breaking type of learning lunches activities, where to coordinate, I mean, for example, they would be in the organization. Most of the time it happens like there are so many department, but one department does not know uh, B department employees. So learning lunches activity, what happens like that on any day we keep a lunch for the employee. I mean, we keep the lunch for the employee, where two department comes together and they introduce themselves, so they get to know more about their department and employee who are working in which department. So that is why we do learning lunches activities. Like special day like on Diwali, like most of the time we see in the organization at the time of I mean, at the time of Diwali festival, like we do the dress code and all. So due to that, company culture get enhanced. So on this special days activity also done. So what is basically employee engagement activities? Like I told you the type of employee engagement activities. So due to that, if if we do the employee engagement activities in the organization, due to that, employee also like the company culture, and they retain in the organization for a long time. Also it helps to increase the employee productivity. Also it enhance the company culture. So boosting morale of the employees. So it is very necessary in any organization, whether it is small or large. So it is always required to do the employee engagement activities. I hope you understood this video. So see you in next video.